Today we are building an AI automation for booking confirmation. One of the biggest issues is that they forget about those appointments. So there's a lot of no-show which is happening. So what we do is we set up automation which goes in and calls these people and tells them, hey, we just want to remind you about this appointment. This is just there to eliminate any no-shows that can particularly happen. And we've built an automation which is using AI calling. So we are going to call these customers and tell them about the appointment. We're also going to WhatsApp message them to remind them about the appointment, and we're also going to email them. All of these three things, when we set it up, then we can reduce no-shows from something like 40% to 0%. So 100% people are going to start showing up, and that means a lot of money saved for these doctors, because doctors, their time is super important. So it's going to be perfect for the doctor and also for the other patients, because then they know when to cancel and when not to cancel. So that's how it looks like. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see my screen, this is how I'm going to simulate booking an appointment. We've got this website built and I'm just going to put my information. This is where I'm simulating that I'm providing my information to book an appointment. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to write my email address. This is the email where we're going to receive all of this information. So that is there. Now let's give an appointment time. I'm going to give it 11 and preferred time 11:30. And then we are going to do general checkup, that's what I want to go for, and preferred doctor, Dr. Williams. So that's what we are adding. And now before I click on this book appointment, let's see, I'm just going to click execute workflow and I'm just going to book this appointment. And let's see what happens. So here in Edit, we see that the call is being executed. I hear the voice. So we're just going to go there and we're going to press on answer.
Hello, this is Kate from Bright Smile Dental Clinic regarding your upcoming dental appointment. I'm calling to confirm your appointment details and provide important reminders.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good.
Hiya, this call is for confirmation that your booking has been booked on the 30th of June at 11 a.m. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you then.
Perfect, that sounds great. Thanks a lot.
You're very welcome. If you have any questions or need to make any changes, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the 30th of June at 11 a.m.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. See you then. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so right now, this is the clear dental appointment call. And now we're going to receive a WhatsApp message as we see, and an email is being sent. I heard the WhatsApp notification, and right now when I go there, it gives us the proper time that, hey, your appointment has been booked for this particular time, which is super amazing. All of this is set up properly. Then on the other side, we're just going to go look at the email, and we have received an email. So right now I have, okay, I'm getting an, let me see, what is it? Okay, I replied back to this. This is 12 minutes ago. We're just going to see, and also 0 minutes ago, we have received a confirmation about the appointment with a proper date. All of this email is properly set up, and all of this whole process that we set up, we set it up using N10, process booking appointment. Then we have got this whole call. This is built using Voho platform, and then we've got WhatsApp confirmation, 2 of this, which is sent for different messages. As we could see, we've gotten 2 different messages, so we are sending 2 different messages. It depends how many you want to send. And then we've also gotten email messages. So all of this is coming together. And if you want this, because this is something that you can implement at any dentist place, we've got also other templates for dentists that you could check out on the Voho platform at the workflow section. So if this is interesting for you, just check it out, and we're going to share this information in the description, and like and subscribe to this channel so that I can teach you more about how all of these are working, about AI agents and about building voice agents. So that's going to be super interesting. See you on the other side. Bye-bye.